Hey guys, it's Dave at HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee. Another beautiful sunny day. And I've got a really cool truck here to show you. I get these in once in a great while, so don't delay on these things. If you think this is something you can use, it's very rare, you might want to jump on it. This is a 2011 Ford F650. Get this, crew cab. Under that hood is a fire-breathing 6.7 Cummins automatic transmission, but this is the super rare part. That is a maximum height. That truck is 13.6. That's as big as you can get, guys. This has the movie studio / movers truck body on it. And the reason why I know it's a studio truck is because those are the folks that had it. This truck came out of California, and it is exactly what you'd expect. I don't need to spend a whole lot of time on it. There's no rust anywhere. Look at inside those boxes. This thing is just as sharp as you can possibly ask for. As a matter of fact, we drove this truck from California to Tennessee. Got to be pushing 2,000 miles. And it is loaded. It has everything you can imagine. It's got the extra tall body on it, so you can pull that little rope down. If you look at the pictures, and you'll see that comes down. This is a huge platform lift gate. And I don't know if you can see these or not, but it even has automatic little flashing lights that come on when the tailgate is in a down position. When it goes up, it shuts off automatically. And look at there, trailer hitch. Little unusual, and this is even a good way. Hopefully you can see that inside there. It's got air ride suspension. Such a nice truck. Hardwood oak flooring. It's got the multi-level side protection all the way up to the top. It's got multi-level track so you can go ahead and tie things to it. It's got overhead lighting. It's got a translucent roof, which is really cool. There's another control for the power liftgate. Those are the controls for the lights and stuff. You see that electrical box up there? That's because this also has a plug-in for an extension cord. You can run an extension cord over there, and you can plug this thing in and have 120 voltage up there. And these are the controls for the power liftgate. And this one here is the one that makes it go up and down and tilt and all that kind of stuff. So when you lower that to the ground, you can make that into a self-leveling platform. I just don't have these open because it interferes with the door, but they look just like the other ones. There's even a step right here. Here's your curbside entrance. There's your attic up there. Extra additional storage. Look at the condition of this. No holes, no punches, no nothing weird. Track lining, all that kind of good stuff. Door works exactly like it's supposed to. The hinges aren't shot. Nobody has run into it. Super nice truck. This has got a I was going to show you right over here. Here's the plug-in for your extension cord. So if you're going to be sitting someplace loading for a long time, you just run an extension cord out there, and then you won't wear the batteries down when you're running the lights and stuff in there. It is a crew cab. The seats go forward and all that kind of good stuff. It is clean. Look at here, guys. I hate to do this to you poor guys up north, but this is what a rust-free truck is supposed to look like, okay? So when they talk about rust-free, you need to come and see us. And it's got the 3-passenger seat up front as well. I see a little lumbar support on that driver's seat over there. Power windows, power door locks, clean. Tires on it are good, as I say. We got in this thing and we drove it 2,000 miles. Got the nice little chrome grill set up on it. It's got the tow hooks on it, so if you have to tow somebody else, you can. It's got the extra wide stainless steel mirrors on it, and again, the attic and all that kind of good stuff. Just a beautiful truck. So this is I'll see if I can get it to focus on that right there. If you can see that, that's 2599 GVW. Well, sounds like the radio works. So we're gonna just We're gonna just go up here and just turn that off. Oh, by the way, there's a CD player built in right there as well. Air conditioning works perfect. It does have cruise control, fully functional. The air pressure is for the suspension system. It does have manual brakes or squeeze brakes. Beverage holders and all the everything you're used to. Super, super clean. There's the control for the power for the tailgate. And the dashboard. Notice it is running. Notice there's no check engine lights. There's nothing weird or dumb about it. It's only got 139 on it. That Cummins motor will go a lot longer than that, boys. And there's your power windows and door locks and all that. Super, super clean. Super clean truck. Absolutely remarkable. You just don't find these crew cabs in the 650. You don't find the extra big movers box on it. That is a 65-gallon tank right there. And of course it does have the running boards all the way up for everybody to get in and out, and tires are good. I just can't say enough about this truck. If you can use something like that, you give me a call. This is a 2013 F650 crew cab, studio movers truck, Cummins, Allison, automatic, air conditioning, 139, easy on miles. If you can use this truck, you give me a call. I'm right here at HD Trucks and Equip in Henderson, Tennessee. And my personal cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And once again, as usual, I greatly appreciate you looking.